A veteran divorce attorney may transform how we see and get through that life-altering decision. Ann Hamer has authored the book Fearless Freedom, a divorced lawyer's guide to divorce, and she's joining us on Live at 9 this morning to discuss her work. Thanks for coming in via Zoom for us. Well, I know there's a little delay here, but talk to me about what did you feel and why did you decide that this was so important to write this book?
Well, thanks for having me on this morning. I'm excited to be here to promote it because it's been so important for my clients who've already been delving into it, and that's why I wrote it. I realized going through my own divorce was so difficult and so painful, but I was already a divorce attorney at that time, so I at the very least, understood the litigation aspect of it. But when people come to me in pain, suffering, in a traumatic situation, it's very hard for them to remember the information I'm giving them about what their divorce is going to be like and what all of it entails. So with the book, I realized if they had something like a handbook with them all the time, because I can't be with them 24/7, obviously, they could refer to it. When they wake up at 3 in the morning, instead of, popping a Xanax or a Zantac and worrying about what tomorrow's going to bring, they've got the book in hand to explain the process. And litigation is a long process, and divorce can be very complicated. And I wanted to simplify it as much as I could for the people that I want to help.
Yeah, and you'd imagine that a lot of people are going through this the first time, so they just don't know what to do. So some say that there is still a negative stigma when it comes to divorce, and it's a tough situation to be in. What would you suggest that people should do when they are faced with that moment? You said that they should look at your book.
Well, for sure. Knowledge is power, right? So if you're going through a tough situation, whatever it is, the more you can learn and understand about it, the more power you have to make the changes you want. Because divorce is change. I mean, there's no doubt about it, your life's going to change when you go through something like that, whether you have children or don't. But understanding the process, knowing how to empower yourself to get through it, I think the book gives them a lot of that agency, and that's so important to give them the confidence they need to make good decisions while they're in the process of divorce. And because that process leads to their next life, their next situation, whatever that's going to be, they're in the best frame of mind to get themselves there if they understand what's happening to them.
Right, and talk to me about the topics that we're going to see, because I'm sure that you know the main questions that people have.
Absolutely. The number one question, if they have children, is always the children. How's my parenting time going to be structured? What's that going to look like? What's child support going to look like? That's number one. And we have forms in the book that help people understand what is child support, how does it get determined, what is important about parenting time, how do you co-parent, that kind of thing. It's so important for parents to understand that the family can still be a family, it's just not going to look the same, but it doesn't mean it's worse. And it can, in fact, be better if two adults will work on it the way they ought to work on it. I hope my book points that out. The second scary question for everybody is their financial situation. I don't care if you are dirt poor or multi-millionaire, finances are always on everybody's mind. And the book has a lot of forms in it that I hand to my clients in every lawsuit, in every divorce case. But then I realized if I would put them in the book, so many more people would have access to that information and could make their own plans, start understanding what divorce is going to entail, even before they go and meet with their divorce lawyer for the first time. And I want to just give people those forms. Sometimes just getting your information together, filling it out, understanding what that financial picture is, can help you make decisions about whether you even want to go through with the divorce or what you want to, hope to build in your new life going forward after the divorce.
Right. There's an event at Novel tonight, so I just want to tell folks that they can head on out there. What time is it going to be? Novel Bookstore in Memphis.
That's right, 5:30 to 7:30. I'm so grateful to them for stocking my book and promoting it. They're such a wonderful local resource to have, and I'm very excited about it. It's going to be a great event.
All right, Ann Hamer, thanks for being for those who need you in their time of need. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Coming up on Live at 9, when it